If you have a dual gear extruder like I do here, you need to adjust the E steps in these settings. Let me show you how to do that. You go under control and then under motion, we are going to go under steps. The original value is 94 or 93, but if you have a dual gear, you need to increase that. Mine, the E-steps is 144.2, so you might need to adjust that. Check the user manual for the product that you purchased. It's likely, if it's similar to mine, you probably need to do 144, but depending on the one you have, it might be different. So double check that user manual. This is how you adjust the E-steps for the dual gear extruder if you have one. If you don't, you don't need to worry about that. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.